Herbology is the multidisciplinary study of plants, integrating plant taxonomy, ecology, growth requirements, fungal studies, and the doctrine of signatures. This practice encompasses various plant types such as herbs, roots, vegetables, and grains, along with their practical applications, including wildcrafting, harvesting, gardening, and farming. Practitioners in Grimmloch, known as herbalists, immerse themselves in these esoteric sciences to gain a profound understanding of the plant kingdom. Their unique experiences and knowledge make them inherently skilled in various areas. Encouragement, a social skill tied to a dreamer's sovereignty, comes naturally to herbalists. Their nurturing approach to plants and their understanding of growth processes make them adept at fostering cooperation, motivation, and inspiration in social settings. Disguise, an athletic skill tied to a dreamer's prowess, comes naturally to herbalists. Their extensive knowledge of plants allows them to create dyes, pigments, and other natural materials for camouflage, making them particularly skilled in the art of disguise. Field identification, toxicology, and plant tracking are practical skills tied to a dreamer's acumen. Herbalists' expertise enables them to identify species accurately using taxonomic principles while understanding their properties, including medicinal uses or toxicities. They can also track plant growth patterns or distributions effectively through keen observation of ecological cues. Panery arts, allocraft, and cask savant, art skills tied to a dreamer's virtuosity, highlight their expertise in working with plant-based ingredients. Their deep understanding of grain properties and fermentation processes allows them to create high-quality baked goods or brews with precision. Additionally, their knowledge extends to aging concoctions like ales or herbal tinctures using casks, combining creativity with technical mastery. Herbalists are adept at gathering rare plant materials such as herbs, roots, vegetables, or grains as part of the process of gleaning. This ability is essential for crafting potent magical items while reflecting their deep understanding of plants' unique properties. Herbology is intrinsically linked to flora, representing plant life, and water, symbolizing growth cycles. Guiding practitioners in this profound science is the hearth keeper, the patron god of herbology, who oversees their mastery over the intricate relationship between plants, their environment, and the magical energies that bind them. The hearth keeper, a quiet hum beneath the hearth, is the warmth of the fire that crackles in the home, the breath of life that rises with the steam of boiling herbs and the scent of freshly baked bread. The world she tends to is not one of grand battles or epic quests, but of the small, everyday miracles that hold everything together. She understands the language of seeds, the ancient words that speak when the soil gives way to green, when the first shoots of spring stretch toward the sun. She feels the rhythms of the earth, the way the roots of a plant burrow deep, how the leaves stretch to meet the sky. She communes with the plants, hears their whispers, and uncovers their secrets. Her knowledge is not just academic, it is intimate, a quiet exchange between the earth and the spirit. The way a fern grows where no one expects it, or how the scent of lavender calms the mind, or how the roots of an oak tap deep into the world's old memories. She grasps their purpose, the herbs that heal, the mushrooms that harm, the grains that fill the belly, the vegetables that feed the soul. She guards these secrets. Her garden is both a place of nourishment and mystery. It is not simply a patch of soil, but a sanctuary where the boundaries between the living and the spirit blur. She knows the doctrine of signatures, the ancient belief that a plant's form, its shape, its scent, its taste, all speak to its purpose, and which flower to offer in ritual. Her role extends beyond healing. She nurtures growth, fosters life, and creates warmth, not only through the nourishment of food, but through the warmth of the hearth itself. Her hearth is where bread rises, where stews bubble with the promise of home, where the scent of ale fills the air, and where the fire is stoked with a kind of quiet magic that makes everything feel possible. She holds the knowledge of botanomancy, the divination of plants, and with her careful study of the soil, the leaves, and the roots, she reads the future in the pattern of a fern or the curl of a vine. She understands how the earth speaks when the wind shifts, how it murmurs in the language of plants, and she listens always, with care. The hearth-keeper, not grand in the way of warriors or wizards with their arcane spells, embodies the quiet, enduring force that keeps the world turning. She is the one who makes sure the hearth stays warm, the bread continues to rise, and the tea keeps brewing. She knows that sometimes the greatest magic is in the smallest of things. In her steady, quiet way, she sustains all things, the plants, the home, and all the hearts within it.